roast, fry, stew, bake, and make casseroles in the Presto 12-inch electric skillet with glass cover. Perfect for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and entertaining, it features a generous cooking surface and high sidewalls. The Control Master heat control maintains the proper cooking temperature automatically, and the tempered glass cover makes it ideal for use as a buffet server. The built-in pour spout even doubles as a spoon and spatula rest. The heavy cast aluminum base assures even cooking. It is coated inside and out with a PFAS-free ceramic coating for both stick-free cooking and easy cleaning. Even scrambled eggs cook without sticking. With the heat control removed, both skillet and cover are fully immersible. Prepare wonderful fish, pork chops, chicken, roasts, and stir-fry. Even make deep pan pizza in your Presto skillet. The 12-inch electric skillet with glass cover from Presto.